Hi, my name is Vikram Gupta, and welcome to PreSales Collective's Journey to PreSales. We will be listening to fascinating stories of SCs that made their journey into solutions engineering as a career. Our goal is to inspire you, because if they can do it, so can you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to PreSales Collective Journey to PreSales. I'm Yvette Edwards. I am a Senior Director of Solutions Engineering at VMware, and today I'm joined by Virgile from Paris, France, from Micro Focus. Virgile, would you like to introduce yourself?
So as Yvette just said, I'm Virgile Delécolle. I'm close to Paris, and I'm today leading a team of pre-sales in Paris for Micro Focus. So my pleasure to be with you today, Yvette.
Thank you, Virgile. So one icebreaker that would be fun to kind of know, 2020, we weren't able to do a lot of stuff. What weren't you able to do in 2020 that you like to do?
Well, back a year and a half ago, I was thinking about doing a swim run race. It's a mix between open water swimming and trail. And with the lockdown situation and everything, well, the only place where I was able to train was my bathroom. So I have to postpone this challenge. And I hope next year I can do it. We'll see. But this is something I wanted to do, and I have to delay just a bit.
That sounds like fun. So bathtub, probably not the same.
No, not really.
Virgile, I'd love to know, so many people stumble into the career of pre-sales. What is your journey?
I would say that pre-sale was unexpected, mainly because I didn't even know that it exists. And it took me like 20 years let's say 15 years to join the pre-sales organization. I started in 2001 as a developer in an agile team, early adopter in France, and it was great. And then the usual path, and then QA, quality engineer guy, then project manager, and bigger projects. And once someone came to me and said, we're looking for a pre-sales for the software organization that has knowledge about agile methodology, and your profile is quite interesting. I said, okay, that's nice, but what, pre-sales? Could you explain me what it means? Because I have no clue about what it could be. And this is how I joined the pre-sales organization in 2013. And I'm just enjoying it like a lot, and I really love being a pre-sales.
That's amazing, and I have a very similar journey starting in software as well. So if you could go back and give advice to yourself to prepare for this career, what would you tell yourself?
Well, probably I would have loved to discover this position earlier in my career. I've been doing engineering study, and no one were talking about that. You could be a developer, you could be whatever stuff about engineering, but this position with a mix between sales and engineering, that's just amazing. And I wish we could be able to talk more about this for younger people in their career, not waiting 15 years like me to discover it and to think that I could join a sales team, because we are talking about sales team, even if I do have a techie profile.
No, that's great. And you're inspiring many young people today, telling them about this career. So how does pre-sales differ from other engineering careers? What doors do you think pre-sales open for you?
I think what I really like, it's the balance you have to find between engineering, sales, maybe also customer care. And it's not only about technical stuff. You are really involved in the sales cycle. You have to build a relation with the customers and becoming the famous trusted advisor. You are at the pre-sales, you are the trusted advisor. So it's this mix in the required skills and in the day-to-day activities that I really like. It's not about technical stuff all the time. It's also about convincing, working, listening, and so many things that you have to cover as a pre-sales.
You mentioned some great skills there: listening, being a trusted advisor. If I'm a young college student today and I'm listening to this, how do I know that this is a career for me?
If you like technical stuff, that's the first good point. If you like to meet customers, it's another one, because this is mandatory. If you don't like to see customers and you prefer working in front or in the desktop, just stay in the engineering path. And if you like to do presentation, demonstration, maybe being on stage, because I really love that. I've been doing this since day one in my career for in the agile community, and I'm still doing this for the marketing, for example. So if you like technical stuff, if you like customer, if you like talking, being on stage, then join the pre-sales organization and fast.
Is there anything that you want to share about your story that we haven't talked about today?
I think we covered a lot, and if people have to remember one thing is that there is no one path to become a pre-sales. You have the opportunity to become pre-sales wherever you're coming from. You could be an expert for a specific topic. You could be an engineer. You could be coming from the support, consulting, or there's a lot of paths, and that was make the interest of a position. And today, as a manager, I'm also looking for different profile to empower my team, and so that everyone can bring something. So this is really amazing, and yeah, almost everyone can try.
That's great. Thanks so much, Virgile. Great advice for everyone. What do you think? I'll end it with some fun, fast, rapid questions. So what new technology do you think is going to transform the future?
It's the buzzword, but definitely is helping everyone in all the topic, because it can analyze and categorize so many things, so many data at the time, and helping everyone. So AI will do.
And then if you could buy a yacht today, what would you name it?
That's a yacht. Yeah, that's Let's Swim.
Oh, I like it. Let's swim. That also kind of relates to pre-sales. And then one final question. I don't know if this translates to Paris, France, but what's your favorite Halloween costume?
I'm trying with the kids. It's not fun. Usually I'm the death, wearing the black suit with the big knife, and the death guy. And yes, it's scary enough for the kids. And I'm able to get candies, and that's the most important part.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Virgile, for joining us today from Paris, France, and sharing, your pre-sales journey. And thank you so much to our audience today. And Virgile and I, we are pre-sales. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Yvette. Bye.